Good morning, good evening actually. इंडिया में तो गुड इवनिंग हो गया. Thank you so much for joining नीलम जी.
रीना जी,
Thank you so much. आपने अपना प्रोग्राम भी आपका था. That's so nice of you to join. And we have a very, very important topic today. And I'm sure my friends will join in a minute. So that's a very how to build faith in holistic healing. But first of all, I want to say good evening, good afternoon, good morning. यहाँ पर तो मॉर्निंग है, आपका वहाँ पे इवनिंग हो गया, and everywhere else where everybody is maybe the afternoon somewhere. So I want to welcome all of you to Dil Diyan Galla. Today's program is actually Shukrana, but and also with Shukrana में भी हम काफ़ी चीज़ें सीखते हैं. To pray, to wish the best for the whole world, world peace prayer भी करते हैं, that everything is things are sometimes gets a little better, then again we have to do see what's happening. The news देखना ही बंद कर दिया मैंने थोड़ी देर, stop doing that because of the situations in a lot of places. But so holistic healing जो हम कुछ ना कुछ सोचते रहते हैं, हमने ये करना है वो करना है, and do we really have faith in it? Sometimes you have to have the faith in what you're doing. A lot of time you pray and you do all that, but do we really have the faith? And उसमें नीलम जी वेलकम जी, मैंने आपकी इंट्रोडक्शन भी करनी है ठीक तरह से. And नीलम जी जो है is a grand master in Reiki. She just actually finished. She came a little early for my program, but she was doing a Reiki session, and she's an Advu Sujok therapist, animal healer, which I love because I have 2 dogs in my family, and so does she. And sometimes we talk about the dogs. We exchange things about the dogs because we love animals. Switch words expert, which I've taken a little lesson, but you know what, I have to practice it because it was right before when I went for vacation. And naturopath and positivity coach, and she has a holistic healing center by Nature's Grace in Jaipur and Gurgaon. Now the name has changed, Gurugaon kar diya, something like that, isn't it? Gurgaon se?
I can call it Gurgaon because it's like Bombay is still Bombay. People call it Mumbai, so वो तो
Right.
नाम बदल सकते हैं.
you know. And she's a biker by passion, which is really very, very good. And a big time dog lover. Like we said, we both are dog lovers. And other animals too. And she loves feeding and healing pets and stray babies. Wow, that's really amazing. At Nature's Grace, she does certificate courses for Reiki, Sujok and Switchwords, treatment of mental, physical and emotional issues through Reiki, Sujok and naturopathy, kids Reiki programs, wellness retreat and workshops, energy healing sessions, animal and birds healing, counseling and meditation programs. Contact details are, I'll give you the details, 91-956-042-4609. And her social handle is www.naturesgracereiki.com. And Insta is www.instagram.com/naturesgrace.reiki. And Facebook में भी है https://www.facebook.com/naturesgrace.reiki. and YouTube channel भी है https://youtube.com/channel/UCQ-3U6Y1PNFAJGQ. It's a blog number TPLM2DGA. Link to
Simply search by Dr. Neelam Parwani, you will get it.
You'll get it, yeah, exactly. So thank you so much all of you for joining. Shashi ji bhi hai, Kamlesh ji bhi aa gayi hai, Neelam ji bhi hai, Shali ji bhi hai. I'm just waiting for, I think, Rama ji bhi aayenge thodi der mein. But thank you, welcome all of you for joining this morning. And as you all know, every time when I call Neelam ji, she's always ready to come. Even though she's busy, she had her own session. She just finished a little bit early because she wanted to come here. So I really thank you so much for doing that. And you're really
Reena ji, it's a pleasure to be with you on Shukrana. I love this series from my heart.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. कि आप आ जाते हो इतनी अच्छी तरह से, हमारे friends भी आते हैं. I want to thank all of you guys who are here. Thanks a lot. And don't forget to share. If you tell your friends to join also, but कभी नहीं आ सकते तो program को अपने please share it with a lot of people because they'll benefit. It's a benefit for them. And So, नीलम जी, ये थोड़ा समझाओ हमको, how to build faith in holistic healing. तो इसका मतलब क्या exactly है? I mean, I'm just saying it, but आपका listening from you will be different thing.
Okay, so Veena ji, what happens is when you go for any kind of treatment, allopathy has become so widespread that people trust it blindly. But
Yeah.
when it comes to holistic healings, when it comes to Reiki, when it comes to homeopathy, Ayurveda, uh, Theta healing, जितने भी healing modalities हैं, उन पे लोगों का faith नहीं build होता. It is very because those are the things you can't see. आपको रेकी में कुछ दिखाई नहीं देता. There is nothing to see. It is to feel the energy, right? So when it comes to feeling something, people don't believe in it. When it comes to seeing something, people believe. Because people are working through their logical mind, and logical mind will always say कि मुझे जो दिखाई देगा मैं उसी में विश्वास करूंगा. But at the same time, because of this logical mind only, you have developed so many things in this world. अब आप और मैं बात कर रहे हैं, हमको जूम का कोई कॉर्ड दिखाई दे रहा है, कोई वायर दिखाई दे रही है, कुछ नहीं दिखाई दे रहा ना. इट्स जस्ट अ ऐप ऑन द फोन एंड वी आर कनेक्टेड. And how we are connected one from one mobile to another mobile? Are we able to see those cables? Are we able to see those sound waves? No. But we still follow the instructions and we get this done. My question is why the same thing cannot be done for holistic healing? When you come to a healer to take any kinds of healings or treatment, why you don't believe in them? यही लॉजिकल माइंड आप फेसबुक पे चला रहे हो, इंस्टा पे चला रहे हो, फोन पे चला रहे हो, जूम पे चला रहे हो, तब तो आप दिमाग नहीं लगाते कि ये कैसे वर्क करता है. तो
Right.
फिर जब आप होलिस्टिक हीलिंग की बात करते हो तो उसमें दिमाग क्यों लगाते हो? एंड हीलिंग इटसेल्फ इज अ कॉन्सेप्ट बेस्ड ऑन फेथ एंड इट
Right.
इज अ कंप्लीट साइंस. हीलिंग इज नॉट सुपरस्टिशन. Healing is science. Quantum physics is science. Energy is science. आइंस्टाइन ने एनर्जी बोला ना, E इक्वल्स टू MC स्क्वायर, थ्योरी ऑफ रिलेटिविटी. फिजिक्स सबने पढ़ा है क्लास में, सबको न्यूटन के लॉज पता है, तो ये भी तो पूरा साइंस ही है. But when it comes to holistic healing, we always have a big question mark. Where is it going to work? Is it going to work? So the reason we are having these kind of questions is because we are lacking faith. And the reason we are lacking faith is because we think it has nothing to do with science, which is a very big misconception about holistic healing. Holistic healing is also based on the same concept of science like allopathy is based.
Okay.
तो जब हम बात करते हैं होलिस्टिक हीलिंग में फेथ की, आई कैन गिव यू अ वेरी सिंपल एग्जांपल. Suppose you want to change your wardrobe, you want to change your style of dressing, or you want to go to a hairdresser and tell him, give me a new haircut, right? So what happens? You're putting the faith in the hairdresser, looking at your face, your style, and your shape of the face, he or she will give you the best cut. बट वो फेथ तो डालोगे ना आप, तभी तो वो नया कट आप ट्राई कर पाओगे, नहीं तो आप कर ही नहीं पाओगे.
Correct.
और वो फेथ कहाँ से आता है? वो फेथ आपका उस हेयर ड्रेसर पे होता है, अपने ऊपर नहीं होता, क्योंकि आप नहीं काट रहे, वो काट रहा है. So for such a simple thing as hair cutting, you can believe a unknown hairdresser. And when it comes to healing, you don't believe the healer. So then how do you expect the healings to work for you? And that's when you कि होलिस्टिक हीलिंग वर्क नहीं करती, क्योंकि आप होलिस्टिक हीलिंग के कॉन्सेप्ट को समझना ही नहीं चाहते. आपका फेथ ही नहीं है अपने हीलर पे. एंड विदाउट फेथ नो ट्रीटमेंट वर्क्स. लेट इट बी एलोपैथी, लेट इट बी होम्योपैथी, लेट इट बी आयुर्वेदा, लेट इट बी होलिस्टिक हीलिंग. Faith is the biggest component in everything that we do in life. बिना फेथ के तो आप मुझे सेशन पे नहीं बुलाओगे. आपको भी इतना फेथ है कि नीलम जी आएंगे तो कुछ ऐसा बोलेंगे जिससे मेरे मेंबर्स को बेनिफिट होगा, तभी तो आप बुलाओगे. बट द फर्स्ट टाइम यू कॉल्ड मी, you did not knew me, I did not knew you, but still you took that risk, right? And you called me on your show. तो जब आप पहली बार हीलिंग के लिए जाते हैं, you need to build that faith on your healer. You need to believe that that person is going to give the best. Because the whole concept of holistic healing is based on the intent of giving the best to the other person. अगर हमारा इंटेंट गलत हो जाएगा तो हमारी हीलिंग वैसे भी वर्क नहीं करेगी। तो हमारे तो हीलिंग का कॉन्सेप्ट ही इंटेंट पे टिका हुआ है, और हमें वो इंटेंट हमेशा फॉर द हाईएस्ट गुड ऑफ द अदर पर्सन रखना है।
राइट, वो तो है।
तो इसीलिए, एंड आई हैव रेड दिस, आई हैव हर्ड दिस फ्रॉम सो मेनी हीलर्स, ऑन एंड ऑफ, ऑन एंड ऑफ, पीपल डोंट ट्रस्ट अस, people don't trust in our healing, people think we are unnecessary charging, and secondly another concept is कि we will, why should we pay for healings, it should be free। भाई क्यों फ्री होनी चाहिए? आप मेडिकल स्टोर पे जाओ, आपको एक सर दर्द का डिस्प्रिन भी फ्री नहीं मिलता, राइट? यू स्टिल नीड टू पे फॉर दैट मेडिसिन एंड देन यू गेट दैट मेडिसिन, एंड you totally believe after taking Disprin my headache will go, and you expect a healer to give you a healing and you not pay for it?
No, that's not right. Hmm.
We are not doing social service. No, nobody is doing social service here. Even if a NGO is doing a social service or if a charity event is there also you pay. You pay some fees to attend the event because they are organizing the whole thing. So the same concept goes with holistic healings. And faith build करने के दो ही तरीके हैं होलिस्टिक हीलिंग में। या तो बी अ रिस्क टेकर, आप अपनी लाइफ में बाकी चीजों को भी तो एडवेंचर करते हो ना, नई नई जगहों पे घूमने जाते हो, जैसे अभी आप जापान होके आए एंड यू टोल्ड मी दैट वाज सच अ हॉट वेदर, बट इट वाज एन एक्साइटिंग ट्रिप,
Yes,
राइट? सो you are trying something new in life, so be
correct.
a risk taker and try something new in life. That is one way of going for healing. Other way of going for healing is, if you really want to put your mind in it, then understand the concept and then take the heal, because it is science. You will understand. There's nothing in it that you will not understand. दिमाग से एक चीज करनी है तो फिर उसको समझ के करो, या तो फेथ से करो या फिर दिमाग से करो, बट दोनों ही केसेस में होलिस्टिक हीलिंग वर्क करती है।
वो तो है। Yeah, that's true. I'm talking about myself. For example, आपने जाने से पहले मुझे कहा था कि ऐसे, if you have any questions, anything, just remember these words. Wolf magic begin now, right? And generous, क्या sunshine. Um, तो
गोल्डन सनराइज
yes, yeah.
फॉर द
So मैंने वो wolf magic begin, so I used to say that every day, every day, every day, every day, and I went. I had absolutely no issue कि मतलब कभी भैया दर्द हो रहा है कुछ, and I was walking 16,000 steps, कभी 5 मील, कभी 6 मील, like in the गर्मी में, but everything was perfect. As soon as you could leave and you come, everything was good. I really enjoyed in the heat even जो भी है, because I was chanting that all the time. So I think I really, really, really 100% believe that really helped me a lot by chanting those words. Although I've written it down also in my bag, सब कुछ किया, पर फिर भी मैं मॉर्निंग में, आफ्टरनून, जब भी दिमाग में आया कुछ तो कह देती थी मैं, आई टू से दैट। सो आई थिंक दैट रियली रियली आई रियली रियली बिलीव इन इट। एंड और भी काफ़ी सारे वर्ड्स हैं, लेकिन यू सेड टू जस्ट रिमेंबर दिस, इफ यू रिमेंबर दिस दैट्स ऑल यू नीड एट द मोमेंट। सो दैट्स व्हाट आई डिड। एंड ऑल्सो आपको भी तो देखो, इफ यू व्हेन यू आर हीलिंग समबडी, डोंट यू यू ऑल्सो गेट लॉट ऑफ सेटिस्फैक्शन and a good feeling about doing that, right?
because we are giving an energy to somebody to heal from that particular disease or symptom and all. See, any doctor or any healer will be more than happy when they see a positive change in the person, right? अभी
Right.
जैसे आपने बोला, you use that such word, it makes me feel happy that you actually followed something, and we are there for you to build your faith. Whenever you don't have faith on yourself, you should always have faith in your teacher or in your healer.
Right.
Eventually, to build that faith also, there is a process. ऐसे नहीं अचानक से आप किसी पे भी विश्वास करते ना, आप रिलेशनशिप्स में भी टाइम लेते हैं विश्वास करने के लिए, इवन फॉर योर ग्रोसरी गाय और योर मिल्कमैन or your security guy, it takes time for you to build faith on those people, right?
Right.
So even in holistic healing, it takes time to build faith. So if you are expecting कि overnight आप उस पे faith कर लोगे, तो फिर आपकी expectations गलत है। बट अगर आप ये सोच के चल रहे हो कि मेरे को इसमें विश्वास ही नहीं करना, then my advice will be don't go for it.
That's
Because
true.
अगर आप faith नहीं कर सकते तो आप उसके रिजल्ट्स चाह के भी नहीं देख पाओगे। अगर रिजल्ट्स आ भी रहे होंगे ना, still you'll not be able to see those results because you're not building that faith. अगर हमें किसी भी चीज, it is like a student going to a school. Until and unless he doesn't believe his teacher, that what my teacher is teaching me or telling me, or the method she's telling me to work on in solving this problem is correct, how will he be able to do that? We have to trust our teachers, we have to trust our parents, we trust our friends, we trust even on the road. Sometimes you go, you meet some people every day, and a kind of bond and trust starts developing between you. Even with animals, the same trust
Yeah,
develops,
yeah.
right?
Because with the both, it's very open, and you can feel you get the feeling right away.
Exactly. So even in holistic healing, for the healing to work, you need to have that faith. And I understand, एक दिन में किसी का भी faith develop नहीं होता. And that is the reason you have a healer to help you through it, na? So when I teach Reiki to my students, I tell them very clearly, I am teaching you. With my experience, I can give you 100 examples that Reiki works. But don't go only from my experience. Start experimenting on your own. अपनी छोटी छोटी प्रेयर्स करो, अपनी छोटी छोटी हीलिंग्स लो, एंड ऑलवेज टेक अ बेबी स्टेप. जैसे बच्चों को भी पहले ए फॉर एप्पल, बी फॉर बॉल, अल्फाबेट ही सिखाया जाता है ना. You directly don't jump to the words. The same way, even in healing, if you want to build faith, start with baby steps. Do small prayers, take small healings, see the result of it, and start building that faith. And if you are not able to build that faith immediately, believe in your healer.
Yes.
वो hand holding उसी को कहते हैं. Believe in the person who's giving you the treatment. And then eventually you will build your own faith itself. And
It
once
takes
you build
time.
your own faith,
It,
you
it,
can heal yourself any day.
it will take time. It doesn't happen overnight. You have to have you have to have faith and keep on doing the same thing. जो आपने सीखा है उसको keep on doing. Then only the faith will come.
Transformation does not happen overnight, na Meena ji?
That's what I'm saying. It doesn't
Cocoon
happen
से
overnight.
butterfly निकलने में भी टाइम लगता है, राइट? एग्स में से बेबीज निकलने में भी टाइम लगता है. तो यहाँ पे भी टाइम तो लगेगा ना, लेकिन वो जो टाइम पीरियड है, जब तक आपका फेथ बिल्ड नहीं होता, एटलीस्ट स्टार्ट बिलीविंग द हीलर, स्टार्ट बिलीविंग योर टीचर, स्टार्ट बिलीविंग योर हीलर, स्टार्ट बिलीविंग योर स्पिरिचुअल गुरु, whoever you want to follow, or whichever modality you want to follow. Have a mentor. And
Hmm.
if you're not able to build that faith with that mentor, then either you have not picked up the right modality, because आप उस modality की energy से ही connect नहीं हो पा रहे हो. क्योंकि कोई भी mentor गलत नहीं होता, हर mentor, हर teacher अपना हमेशा best देता है. But it is that ना कि सबको सब कुछ चीजें fit नहीं होती. So you always have an option to shift to another modality or another mentor. But just waving this off, saying that it doesn't work, is not the right thing.
देखो ना, जैसे टीचर होती है, फॉर एग्जांपल स्कूल तक अभी हमारे सितंबर में यहाँ पे स्कूल का सेशन,
बिल्कुल.
new classes are going to start in September. So the child goes to school, new teacher, new, नई class में, and the teacher, who was the main teacher, I mean, that has a big influence. They learn a lot, but it's the whole year you have to learn. बीच में you learn and you have to have faith. And then you do
Yes.
your exams. You have to have the faith. Then only you can do your test properly, learn properly. अगर शुरू से, if you don't have the faith in the teacher, how are you going to learn? So it's like a
And
whole
faith
year.
takes time. Faith takes time.
It takes
But
time.
but you need to give that time, especially with healing, because healings में क्या होता है, हम superficial issues को नहीं खत्म कर रहे. We are going deep rooted issues, the issues which are there from years altogether. तो अगर years altogether वाली किसी भी चीज को आपको रिपेयर करना है, तो टाइम तो लगेगा ना. एक आप नई गाड़ी खरीदते हो, उसकी सर्विसिंग एक दिन में हो जाती है. एंड एक यू हैव अ ओल्ड कार, तो उसकी सर्विसिंग में टाइम लगता है ना, because it's an old car. You have to make sure you get the right spare parts. Sometimes the spare parts are not available in the market. You need to have that kind of patience to have the right fit. The same is with healing. If it is something that you are coming for, that means that thing has been deep rooted in you long back. It's going to take time.
You're right. If you have an issue, maybe from childhood trauma or something, and that's going to take a while,
Don't
while
even
to
know
heal.
what our issues are. Once we start doing that healing process, then it comes to the surface, because it is so deep rooted, hidden inside you, that you kind of ignore it completely. You
Right.
don't want to acknowledge it also, because healing is a tough process. It is not a easy process. Anybody says healing is easy is giving you a wrong conception of healing. Healing is a tough process, but it is a process which you are going to validate. हीलिंग के बेनिफिट्स आपके लिए कोई और वैलिडेट नहीं कर सकता, आपको खुद ही वैलिडेट करना पड़ेगा. It is not like you're buying a new dress and wearing, and then 10 people looking at you and commenting and telling you, is it suiting you or not? Healing is something like you only can tell is it working for you or not. कोई और नहीं बता पाएगा. या तो आप बताओगे या आपके टीचर बताएगा. Yes, I can see the change because the teacher will be the first person to see that change even before you that change.
फॉर एग्जाम्पल जैसे आपने बोला भी, जब से आपने कहा है तो टीचर विल सी हाउ डू यू गॉज और हाउ डू यू फिगर आउट कि इसको हीलिंग समझ आ गई है या बेनिफिटिंग, हाउ डू यू फिगर दैट आउट?
You are the classic example, Veena ji. Every session you used to ask me to give one switch word. Then
यस,
you developed the interest. Then you did the course. And
यस,
now you use that switch word. So the change is there, na? I'm observing the change, na?
दैट्स ट्रू, दैट इज ट्रू. आई ऑलवेज आस्क यू give some switch words and you always do, and that is true, and I this one I
Now
really picked
you're
up.
using those. And now you're using those
Yeah.
without me telling you also. So the change is already there. The faith is coming up now. It is building gradually.
Yes, definitely. I have faith in you a lot because you always come and explain. ऐसे कह रहे हैं जैसे कमलेश जी कह रहे हैं that you very well, you're so convincing and explain very very easy to understand जैसे आप करते हो. So that is a big thing. How the healer explains and teaches is also very very important so that the student or जो अभी है वो understand. नहीं?
They always say, like for animals, they always say they choose their owners. We don't choose the animals that come into our life. The animals choose who are their owner. The same way, student always chooses the teacher. The teacher never chooses the student. आपने मुझे चूज किया, मैं आपको कभी भी चूज नहीं कर पाऊंगी. बिकॉज आई विल नॉट गो एंड टेल यू कि आप मुझसे सीखो.
Right,
ये
right.
आप ट्राई करोगे, राइट? तो आप हमेशा अपनी टीचर खुद चूज करते हो.
That is true. For this kind of a healing के लिए, yes, you have to.
So all those who are coming to me, or all those people who are going to different healers, they have chosen that person. So when you choose someone, you should choose someone with faith. अगर
Hmm.
आप अपनी पसंद की कोई ड्रेस लेते हो या कोई ज्वेलरी लेते हो तो इस कन्विक्शन के साथ लेते हो ना कि ये मुझे पसंद है and I want to wear this, that's why I'm buying it. The
Yeah.
same way when you're connecting with a healer, when you're choosing a healer, because you will only choose, nobody else can choose it for you. So
That's
when you then have the patience and the faith for things to work for you.
and faith should be. You can say anything can be healed.
Anything can be healed, but then the process is a little
Different.
something with time. Even when we give healing, there are sometimes issues which are recent issues. जैसे कल परसों में किसी को खांसी जुकाम हुआ तो आप एक सेशन में ठीक हो जाओगे, ज्यादा से ज्यादा 2 सेशन में ठीक हो जाओगे, बिकॉज आपका इशू बहुत रीसेंट है, अभी अभी हुआ है. But if you go to a healer and say, I have a habit of overthinking or I have a habit of negative thinking, do you think that will get cured in 1 session? नहीं,
Oh.
because it's a deep rooted issue. आप कितने सालों से उसी पैटर्न में सोच रहे हो, और फिर
आप
एक बाद अगर आप बोलते हो कि मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा, तो ऑब्वियसली कोई फर्क पड़ेगा भी नहीं आपको.
it take time. Yeah.
लेकिन सेशन उस प्रोसेस को चालू करेगा. कहीं ना कहीं से तो आपको शुरुआत करनी है ना.
बिल्कुल. So can you give an example of somebody who came and had a एग्जाम्पल के क्या प्रॉब्लम थी और कैसे आपने कितना टाइम लगा या क्या ट्रीटमेंट कैसे करी? सम एग्जाम्पल किसका?
So there are lots of my students who come with various issues. And so there was this one student of mine who always wanted to learn, but it was just not happening. She called me like 2 years back asking for the course, okay? And she was very particular. She wanted to do in person, not online course.
Which
So
one?
I was in, she
कौन
was
सा
in Gurgaon.
कौन
So
सा
she
कोड?
called
रेकी का कि किसकी किसका?
Reiki.
ओके.
Reiki. She wanted to learn Reiki. तो 2 साल पहले उन्होंने मुझे फोन किया था. आई हैव काइंड ऑफ सेव्ड हर नंबर, अगर कोई इंक्वायरी आती है कई बार आप नंबर सेव कर लेते हो. She
यस.
called, I told her my location, she told her location, so she was staying a little far off. So she didn't come back, so I kind of forgot. ठीक है, नहीं हुआ नहीं हुआ. 2 years back, 3 weeks before. She called me again and I had her number saved. So I could see the name. So I said, yes, Asha ji, tell me how can I help you? And then she says that I want to learn Reiki. I said, okay, I have shifted from this location to this location. Now I'm staying here. And you will not believe she's staying just opposite to my society, walking distance. She
Wow.
has also shifted. I have also shifted, and now we are so close to each other. And the next day she was there. And she chose me 2 years back. It did not materialize. She did not learn it from anybody in last 2 years. After 2 years, she again connecting with me. And then she's coming. So who's choosing the teacher? Am I choosing her? No. I have not even met her. She is choosing me.
Yes.
And then she is left because she always wanted to learn face to face and it was a walking distance. And she finished. And she's happy. And that was her desire that I want to learn face to face. So it took some time maybe for her desire to materialize because I was in different area of city. She was in different area. And eventually we both landed up right opposite to each other.
And also, did so then how many sessions did she take? I mean, whatever the course किया कि क्या
The
किया
course
उसने?
to learn the complete course. So first step of Reiki is a 5-day course
Hmm.
in which we teach you everything about yourself. So first step is all about self-healing. What are your traumas? What are your blockages? How you can remove that? Why certain instances have happened in your life? You always have why me? एक वो question हम हमेशा लेके चलते हैं. Why me? Why this happened with me?
You know what?
So
Sometime when yeah, okay, same thing happened in a different pattern. Same
gradually.
scenario happens again and again. Different
Yes, because
scenario,
you
different
are not
thing.
breaking that pattern. You are into that pattern, into that loop again and again.
Again,
So
again,
when
yeah.
you understand that you are into that loop and you understand how to break that loop, and you also understand why the same thing is happening to you again and again. Once you have this logical explanation of everything, it's easy for you to break that pattern.
That
So
happens
the
to
first
lot.
step is all about you, your healing, your faith, your traumas, your fears, everything related to you. It is your focus because the first step is about you getting healed. Until unless you will not get healed, you will not build a faith on it. And then you move to the second step, which is a distance healing concept. Now, once you have healed yourself, then only you will be confident enough to give healing to others. Because you know कि ये मेरे पे काम किया है तो ये दूसरों पे भी काम करेगा. The second step is about distance healing, where you can heal your loved ones, your friend, whichever part of the country they are, you can do that. Whichever part of the world they are, you learn how to heal your pets also in the second step, plants also in the second step. The second step is all about distance healing. Then once you start healing them and you see the results, that's where your faith is now at a higher level. अभी तक आपने अपने आप को हील किया. अब जब आप दूसरों को हील करते हो रिजल्ट दिखता है तो आपका फेथ 100% हो जाता है कि ये सब पे वर्क करती है, सिर्फ मुझ पे वर्क नहीं करती. And the third step is all about chronic healing. So if anybody is suffering from chronic diseases like cancer, kidney patient, liver issues and all those, we do chronic healings for them. Fourth step is all about teaching. You become a Reiki master. So you become a Reiki teacher once you reach the fourth step. Once you are a Reiki teacher, by now you already have built that kind of faith that you can generate that faith in others. Because if a teacher is not confident of what she is doing, she can't teach others. She or he can't teach others.
That's true.
Once you become a Reiki master, you can have students till level 3 under you. And then fifth step and the final step is Reiki Grandmaster. Once you become a Reiki Grandmaster, you can make more Reiki Masters and Reiki Grandmasters under you.
Okay. And each
That's
course,
only for Reiki.
each step is five. How many days? 5 days? Each step?
Yes. Third step is a little longer where you have this chronic healing, which is around 7 to 8 days. Otherwise, every step is 5 days. And Reiki Master is 10-day program. Reiki Grandmaster is also a 10-day program. Because there you understand the whole concept of how to teach a student, how to do the treatment, which is a little on a higher level.
The last one, the Grandmaster.
And the Reiki Master, they both are 10 days programs.
Master, yeah.
First step, second step is 5 days. Third step is 7 days. And fourth and fifth step is 10 days. Because When you become a Reiki master or Reiki grandmaster, you again have to go through your process of self-healing once again.
You have to go through the whole thing again. Okay, understand. So that's why
Because as a teacher, it is very important when you start teaching, you should not have any kind of ego inside. नहीं तो क्या होता है जब हमारा स्टूडेंट कुछ सीख जाता है तो we take a lot of pride. अरे मैंने सिखाया. No, it is a universal blessing. You are just a channel who's giving these blessings to others. So you are not doing anything great because you don't have the energy to turn even a leaf. How can you turn a person? Right? It is the universal energy which is doing. अगर आज आपने ये faith build हुआ है तो ये मेरी वजह से नहीं हुआ. It is a universal blessing. You put in your effort, I put in my effort, and we have seen the result. But result तो उसी की blessing से हुआ ना. Faith था, blessings आई.
And how did this
So,
Reiki, where is it originated from? Japan?
so Reiki is a Japanese. Actually, तो Reiki was there in India from हमारे पुराने जमाने से ही. गौतम बुद्धा and all those are ऋषि मुनीज used to practice Reiki. तभी तो आप देखते हो कि अगर हम पुराने mythological stories भी पढ़ते हैं तो वो ऐसे सर पे हाथ रखते थे और सब ठीक हो जाता था. So what were they doing? Touch therapy. They were giving Reiki healing on the crown chakra. तो साईं बाबा को ले लो, गौतम बुद्धा को ले लो, जीसस को ले लो, प्रॉफिट मोहम्मद को ले लो, राम कृष्ण किसी को भी ले लो. आपके सारे गॉड्स आशीर्वाद. हमारे इंडियन कल्चर में ही आशीर्वाद ऐसे दिया जाता है. It is touch therapy. You are giving the blessings on the crown chakra. Crown chakra is the chakra from where you receive the universal blessing. So it was always there. But how it came into a form where people can learn. So it was discovered by Dr. Makao Usui, who was in Japan, who was one of the Japanese monks, and who used to experiment with lots of healing modalities. So once he discovered this, he realized it's a very simple modality which can be given and taught to others. So during the Second World War, when there was a bomb in Hiroshima and Nagasaki, that was the first time he tried giving healings to people. Because उस वक्त डॉक्टर्स भी उतने नहीं थे, बहुत ज्यादा डिजास्टर था. People were sick, people didn't have medical attention. That's when he started healing people. And he saw wonderful results. And that's when he decided, I want to spread it. I want to teach other people also how to heal themselves and how to heal others. And it's from there, it came all over the world and got a structured form of learning.
So you're saying it's like during the World War, the time of मैं भी देख कर आई हूँ ना Hiroshima. I
Yeah.
went to Hiroshima, especially because I said I want to see. I mean, I heard so much about it, but since I'm so close, I've come to all the way to this country. So I made a special trip. देख कर आई थी मैं.
How was your experience?
Very touching, very sad. Because they have a big building. एक तो वो town Hiroshima was all destroyed, and they had a couple of buildings which were left intact. They didn't do anything.
Okay.
उसमें वो
The
दिखा-
destructive building just like that they have made.
हाँ उधर है. Plus other places they are fixed, of course. And one exhibition area उनकी एक building बनी हुई है. Top floor, they have all pictures, and they have all even the clothes. जो लोगों के कपड़े थे, families दिखाई, pictures of families and pictures of बच्चे किसके displaced, became orphans. बच्चों का दिखाया कि their parents passed away. Some stories they told also, but a lot of the clothes and the time was fixed 8:15. उसके clock के
The
ऊपर
time bomb पर, हाँ वो घड़ी रुक गई वहीं.
and कहते हैं जो टाउन में जो हिरोशिमा टाउन है ना वहाँ पे घंटी उसी वक्त बजती है every once a day at 8:15 जब जिस टाइम अटैक हुआ था the bell only rings or the घंटी उस वक्त बजती है every day. So,
That could remember
yeah, and then
that destruction that happened.
and at the second floor they had live उनकी वीडियो टेप जो people who survived, like little kids who survived, उनका one-on-one, what was the experience, what happened, how many families there were, how many kids their parents ये वो सब बता रहे, अपनी stories बता रहे थे. So it was very very emotionally very touching. And other exhibits they were showing also, but I was so hot I could not go. But I went to this building named Mickey because air conditioned था, and I spent quite a bit of time there, and I came out very and and they showed the town के सारे खुश हैं बच्चे, people are playing around the school and this and that.
They wouldn't even have expected in 1 second the whole thing will change.
The funny thing is, I mean, the strange thing is when I came back on the plane and I saw that movie Oppenheimer. I don't know if anybody's seen that.
Yeah.
अच्छा, Oppenheimer, this guy, he was the one who planned this bomb and उसने सारा किया
Wow.
concept.
He was the one who.
Yeah, the movie is banned it was banned in Japan. But I saw that movie, but he was like a crazy kind of a guy, but very genius. And they were planning जो जनरल था कि कौन था उसने बोला कि भाई don't do anything Kyoto because I want to Kyoto is very close to Kyoto and Hiroshima is very it's very he said no don't do anything to Kyoto, I went there for my honeymoon, वहाँ पे कुछ नहीं करना, ये this place Hiroshima is untouched, यहाँ पे करो bomb. And that place is like a little kids playing school में like that's everywhere. So what the people's condition was, what happened, like it was very
That's what it is, Meena ji. It takes 1 minute to destroy anything, but
exactly.
it takes years and generations to bring it back. This is exactly the same concept of healing. It takes 1 minute for any trauma or any fear to come into your life. 1 मिनट लगता है कोई भी डर को लेने में, ट्रॉमा को लेने में, कोई भी बैड मेमोरी को अपने दिमाग में स्टक करने में. But it takes years of healing to remove that from your system.
Oh yeah.
So healing also doesn't happen overnight. ओवरनाइट ट्रॉमास आते हैं, ओवरनाइट फियर्स आते हैं, ओवरनाइट बैड मेमोरीज आते हैं, बैड एक्सपीरियंसेस आते हैं. बैठे बैठे कुछ अचानक से आप बैठे हो और अचानक से आपने सुन लिया कि योर फ्रेंड पास्ड अवे or your loved one had an accident. It's a big trauma.
Yeah,
It took 1 minute for the trauma to come into your life, but it will take years of healing to remove the trauma and live a normal life.
that's true, that
Or
is correct.
soldiers who go for the war and all, when they come back, they are so traumatized. It takes years and years of therapy for them to become normal and live a normal human being's life.
Yeah,
Work lifetime. So, and it will only work for you when you start building faith on it. Because healing के लिए कोई medicine नहीं है कि you pop a pill and you'll be okay. वो नहीं हो सकता. Healing is removing those memories, releasing those fears, and living a normal life again. And in that normal life, also things will still keep happening. It is not that once you have healed, उसके बाद आपके लाइफ में कुछ भी बुरा नहीं होगा. नहीं, ऐसे नहीं होता. उसके बाद भी बहुत सी बुरी चीजें हो सकती है. But healing teaches you the process of coming out of those situations in a more easy and smooth way. Setbacks आपके लाइफ में तभी भी आ सकते हैं, लेकिन हीलिंग सीखने के बाद या हीलिंग करने के बाद या हीलिंग होने के बाद आप जिस चीज को लेके आप 4 महीने बैठे थे, अब उसमें से 4 दिन में निकल आएंगे. तो बाकी के जो दिन है, एटलीस्ट यू आर लिविंग लाइक अ नॉर्मल पर्सन.
right. Mm-hmm.
So
So
healing makes the quality of your life very much better than what you are actually living.
तो नीलम जी, आपने कब ये when did you learn and how did you come to learn Reiki and all this, how did you get into
I
this?
did it in 2013. So 2012, I was working in Mumbai. And one fine day when I was getting out of a rickshaw, all of a sudden I had a very bad cramp in my back and I couldn't stand. So I was on a bed completely for 3 months. I
Wow.
couldn't even, I couldn't even get down from the bed. It was so bad for me, such a severe pain. So 3 months of physiotherapy, this, that, and all. Somehow I came back on my feet. Again, I worked for 2 months. Again, the same thing happened. Again, 3 months on bed. So the whole year I was like on the bed, up, on the bed, up, on the bed, up. And I used to live with this continuous pain. The pain never left me. Then I moved back to Jaipur. I was like, I can't do this. It is very difficult to do it here alone. I came back to my hometown. I started staying with my parents again because I needed constant, support. I was so scared. अगर मैं कुर्सी पे बैठ जाऊं, I'm sitting on a chair. I was not sure will I be able to get up or not. That kind of fear I had after that.
It is.
Because it has happened to me not once, not twice, 3 times. My whole year I was like on the bed looking at the ceiling. I was going crazy and I had an active life. And I had a 6-year-old son to take care of. And then when I was working in Jaipur, then I was doing a project for a finance company. I was launching 7 preschools for them all over Rajasthan. That's when one of my teacher told me that why don't you try Reiki, because she had lost her father and she had gone into depression, and Reiki really helped her come out of it. Maybe it will help you also, because I had already tried every allopathy medicine. Whatever was possible in Delhi, Jaipur, Bombay, nothing was working. So I said, okay, let me give it a try. You never know what clicks. So I went there the first day. I looked at my teacher. Now, I told you now, we choose our teacher. That was my first experience. Looking at her, I got so scared. I said, I don't want to learn. I was like, nice. So she asked me to lie down and she was giving me healing and I could feel the heat. And I was like, I don't know what she's doing. I don't want to learn. I was very scared. I was so scared. She offered me tea. She offered me water and I said, मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए, and I ran.
It's one on one, one on one session tha? One on one?
I went to her house to meet her. So she
Okay.
was very close to the place where I was working. So I went with my teacher. She introduced me there. I could see other students sitting there learning, but I got shit scared of her. I said, नहीं, मुझे नहीं करना. Let it be. And the next day I remember was Shivratri. So she told me, अगर आपको शक्ति पाठ कराना है, मतलब we do a puja before starting Reiki, तो आप कल आ जाना 12 बजे से पहले. कल शिवरात्रि है. It's a very auspicious day. And कल हमारी छुट्टी भी होती है because it's a national holiday. So I said, I'm not coming. I was thinking in my mind, I'm never going to come back. Forget कल मुझे आना ही नहीं है आपके पास. And the whole night I've been twisting and turning and thinking कि क्या करना है. And then my mind was again and again saying, see, you have tried everything possible in this world. All the medicines, all the therapies. इसको क्यों छोड़ना है? See, I'm a risk taker. Maybe that's why I'm a biker also. I like adventure in my life. So I took this as a adventure, as a risk. क्या होगा ज्यादा से ज्यादा? आप जैसे हो वैसे ही रहोगे. पेन ठीक नहीं होगा. You're already living in pain from last 2 years. उससे ज्यादा तो बुरा हो नहीं सकता ना. Because
Correct.
she's not giving any pill to pop. तो बॉडी में तो कोई ऐसा साइड इफेक्ट होने नहीं वाला. Let's go. The next day at 11:30, I am in her house. She is doing my Shakti Path. And then for 1 year, I was continuously going to her. It took me 1 year to build that kind of faith because my logical mind was not ready to agree कि ये work करेगा. But I could see the result. और जब आप रिजल्ट देखते हो ना तब तो आपका माइंड और ज्यादा रेजिस्ट करता है. अरे ये किसी और वजह से हुआ होगा. You will start looking for
I
reasons
know,
that
I know.
might have happened for some because of something else. But I could see people getting healed in front of me. I could see things getting resolved in front of me. But still, I was not able to believe कि ये मेरे लिए work करेगा. And she was like, you come as many days as you want to come, sit in whichever batch you want to sit. I learned step 1. I learned step 2. I learned step 3. I learned step 4. In 1 year, I became Reiki master. But in that 1 year, Veenaji, the in-depth study that I did, because I'm a science student, I will not believe in something which is not science.
Correct. I understand.
I actually did the complete theory, the complete research, the kind of books on Reiki, everything I read. And it was all quantum physics, which I understood because I'm a sound science student. And then I was like, Arey, ab to ye work kare. And that's where the faith started. And I started experimenting. See, I always tell my students also, experiment with your prayers. प्रेयर करो, टाइमलाइन दो, एक्सपेरिमेंट करो और देखो कि वो पूरी होती है या नहीं होती. मेरी बात पे विश्वास मत करो. I did my own experiments. My first Reiki prayer was that every day I drive to my teacher's house, every signal should be green signal. Can you believe that was my first prayer? I'm not praying for my health. I'm not praying for money, nothing. I'm praying for green signal because I wanted to see if it works on that or not. And it started working.
Wow.
My second prayer was every day my maid should come on time so that I can leave for the class on time because she was very irregular. She started coming on time. खुद की हेल्थ की प्रेयर तो मैंने बहुत लेट की लाइफ में. व्हेन आई हैड दैट काइंड ऑफ फेथ कि हाँ अब ये मेरी हेल्थ भी ठीक करेगा, तब मैं अपने हेल्थ की प्रेयर कर रही थी. बट इन दिस होल प्रोसेस आई वाज एक्चुअली हीलिंग बिकॉज ऑल माय फियर्स वर कमिंग आउट,
Right.
which I also did not know. I also had so many deep rooted fears जो हमने इग्नोर किए थे इतने साल तक, वो एक एक करके सब निकल निकल के आए. So the journey of healing is not easy, but
Oh.
once you understand that journey, it will transform you completely. And you need to have faith. And it is going to be a difficult journey. There'll be 200 times you will think, मुझे ये नहीं करना. आप छोड़ के भागोगे, उस वक्त आपकी टीचर आपका हाथ पकड़ेगा. Hold on, hold on. I have to fight with my teacher and say, I'm not going to come tomorrow. Say,
Right.
okay. She just used to smile and she knew that I will come back again.
So, but that means you took about let's say somebody, anybody, me or anybody wants to learn. To reach that point, it'll take about a year because you have to do a lot of practice
No,
and no
no.
to
It
reach
took
the
me
level
because
five.
because I was a very adamant person. It's not people who are spiritually inclined, जो पूजा पाठ करते हैं, जो भगवान में विश्वास करते हैं, यूनिवर्स में विश्वास करते हैं, उनकी रेकी दिन में समझ जाते हैं फर्स्ट स्टेप में. अब
Right.
मेरे जैसे भी तो होते हैं ना, तो ऐसे स्टूडेंट मुझे भी मिले हैं. उनको भी टाइम लगता है, लेकिन इवेंचुअली उनका भी फेथ बिल्ड होता है. और कुछ लोग ऐसे, अब नाउ यू लुक एट यू, यू आर सच अ नाइस स्टूडेंट. आपने कितना जल्दी विश्वास कर लिया और वो वर्क कर गया ना आप पे.
Yeah, मैंने किया.
Every student is different because every student's past, their own journey is different. और मैं तो एक साल में मास्टर बन गई. आई
Wow.
रीच टू अ लेवल वेयर आई कुड टीच अदर्स. मेरा फर्स्ट स्टेप तो पांच पांच दिन में खत्म हो गया था. बट वो कंटिन्यूस प्रैक्टिस चाहिए होती है उस लेवल पे पहुंचने के लिए. So I
What
practiced year to
my
come to that.
my problem is this, that I start something, but then बीच में फिर कभी ये हो गया, कभी वो 10, and now to finish that thing I have to be really, that is what I want to change about myself. मैं अपनी
You
बात
have a switch word for that.
हाँ जी.
You have a switch word for that also for your consistency.
There is a word, I know. I have to dig it to find out. आप बता दो क्या है.
Use that switch. नहीं आप ढूंढो. अब तो आप स्टूडेंट हो, अब आप काम करो.
No, I will.
टीचर सारी क्लासेस दे दी, आप स्टूडेंट को मेहनत करनी है.
अभी एक कमलेश जी पूछ रहे हैं, can the healing, yeah, I think it of course it does. Can the healing work if you are far away? Yes.
Yes, because I do distance healing all the time.
I'm saying, yeah, because you are there, like I took a class and you were in India and I'm over here, but we
Yeah,
not over here.
everything. Because see, if you are learning, it will always be a one-on-one class.
Right.
So you will always learn. और आप मेरे सामने बैठोगे तो भी मैं आपको वही बात बताऊंगी. आप जूम पे बैठोगे तो भी मैं वही बात बताऊंगी आपको. एंड रेकी का तो कॉन्सेप्ट ही डिस्टेंस हीलिंग का है.
Right, correct.
That's the reason
Also,
I've been seeing
you
so
also
many
get,
people in the world.
and you also get some, like for example, if you take the first session, ऐसे बोला 5 days का है, in between you get some homework to do too, homework or some practical.
You get homework to do every day.
As I'm saying, you have to have homework to practice what you're learning, and to
And after that, we have a Reiki support group for lifelong. So you become a part of that group. Every month we have group Reiki sessions, so where you will be joining online, doing collective prayers, so you stay connected.
correct.
जैसे आपने बोला वीना जी, I start something and then I don't continue.
That's my
So
bad
for a
habit.
person to continue, you need to be stay connected with that group. You need to be joining those online sessions, and we have once a month only. तो अगर आप ज्वाइन करते हो तो आप दूसरों की एक्सपीरियंसेस सुनते हो, दूसरों के रिजल्ट्स देखते हो, तो आपका फेथ ऑटोमेटिकली बढ़ता है.
Right. Plus, you become part of that whole scenario because you're part of that group. So you'll also keep yourself updated, and जो भी है, if you're going to join.
Like
So
right now, also the friends who join your Shukrana, they become a part of your group, right? They make it a point कि every Friday they will join, they will listen. तो वो consistency अपने आप ही बन जाती है फिर.
that's the thing. That such a wonderful session. And Neelam ji, मैं कहती हूँ now she's become a good. I would say I would call her my good friend. That she she always comes. She gives a message. All you guys who joined me, I'm sure you must have learned something. कमलेश जी लिख रही हैं यही, तो I'm sure you can learn, like we just explained to you, you can learn anywhere through Zoom session जैसे हम कर रहे हैं, ऐसे अभी program कर रहे हैं. We are learning, like you're in your house, I'm in my house, and Neelam ji is in India. But everybody who's come here to the session, they're all in their own house, and you're still listening and learning, right? So that's how it's the same thing. It's the same concept. It's the same thing. So Neelam ji is watching, Shashi ji is watching, Shelly ji is watching. So thank you, all of you. I want to thank all of you for coming and I want to thank you so much, Neelam ji. And मैंने आपको अपनी information देनी है. And yes, one step at a time. Like for me, I came back, and I will follow up with that definitely.
And I will also give you a switch word today, switch number.
Okay.
So people who don't believe in universal blessings or don't have not yet experienced universal blessing, so 777 is the number for universal blessing. Just write down that number with a blue pen on a piece of paper or on your body. So you start understanding the blessings concept. You will start getting universal blessing. Unexpected things will start happening in your life. तो आपको जो भी एक प्रेयर करनी है उसकी प्रेयर करके 777 लिख दो. So let that blessing come into your life.
You know what? आपने मुझे पहले शायद कहा था क्या किसने? Because when I went to traveling, अभी मैं जब भी travel करके आई हूँ, for some reason I just looked up 777 building में. अच्छा फिर मैं किधर और गई हूँ, टिकट का नंबर मेरा 777 few times.
Universal
You
blessing.
know? Yeah, and I said, you know what, there's a meaning to this thing. There is a meaning to it. Because मैंने आपने पहले कहा होगा मुझे या मैंने कहीं देखा है, something like that. So I did see that. So it is, I think, it does bring you good luck. I would say definitely.
Because universal blessing.
There's a message there, right there. I could feel it because building के ऊपर I just looked up. I was looking for some. I had to go somewhere. It was 777. I said, oh my God, this is a कुछ है. And then also we buy a lot of tickets too. वहाँ पे भी ट्रेन की टिकट लो, कभी प्रोग्राम की टिकट लो. ये तो हिरोशिमा जाने की उसके भी सारा ग्रुप में गए थे. किस जगह में मेरा टिकट के नंबर भी 777 था.
So you were already universally blessed
Yeah,
for
so
this.
I definitely, and I'm not making it up. I don't have to make this up, but it's true. I did get that 777 couple of times. अभी मैं फिर ध्यान दूंगी. I'm sure it's there. Sometime you see it, but it doesn't register. But now that everybody knows, so guys, you go out, when you go out, look at the building numbers, car number, ticket number, कुछ भी हो सकता है. It could be anything. You know, anyway, the numbers are there, so it's going to bring you good luck. So I want to thank you once again. I will be in touch. I'll be in touch with you again. And thank you so much, Neelam ji, for coming and giving us
Thank you so much, Neha, for inviting me. It is always a pleasure to be here.
Thank you so much. And thanks to all the friends who joined. Have a lovely weekend and a lovely day, all of you. And thanks for everybody. Thanks, everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thanks.
Bye-bye. Neelam ji, I'll be in touch. मैं आपको लिखूंगी. Okay. Bye-bye.